Number 4 for section 3.7, our first step is going to be to get all of our terms onto one side. So it's going to be 2x cubed minus x squared plus 18x minus 9 is less than 0. And then we do have 4 terms this time, so when we factor it, it's going to be factored by grouping. So you want to take out x squared, which is going to leave us with 2x minus 1. And then we want to take out 9, which is going to also leave us with 2x minus 1. And then if I complete the factor by grouping, this would be 2x minus 1 and x squared plus 9. And less than 0, less than 0. So I need to find my cutoff points. So x is going to be equal to 1/2. Now the x squared plus 9, that's actually not going to contribute anything because this is never 0. So if you try to make that 0 with like a -3, the squared would get rid of the negative. So this can never actually be equal to 0. If you, like another way to show it would be to subtract the 9 from both sides and then take a square root, but you can't actually take the square root of that. So this is never 0. So on my number line, this is going to be my only cutoff point. And if you plug in test points like 0 or 2, you're going to get negative if you plug in 0. If you plug in 2, you should get positive. And then we need to determine which region we want. So because this is less than 0, so we want the negative. So that region is going to be negative infinity to 1/2. And that's going to be our answer.